Hello everyone, welcome to the channel NR Media 24/7. My name is Rajesh.
Hello, I'm Nishi.
Today we are going to watch another song from Stree 2. It is called Aayi Nahi. It has of course Shraddha Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao and Sachin Jigar, Pawan Singh, Simran, Divya, Amitabh are the other people in the title credits. So let's check this one out.
सुर में गाना सीखिए पाधानीसा ऐप के साथ AI पावर्ड पर्सनल म्यूजिक टीचर फ्रॉम सारेगामा।
वो नहीं आने वाली वो बेवफा छलावत थी।
झूठी खाई थी कसम जो निभाई नहीं, वो झूठी खाई थी कसम जो निभाई नहीं, झूठी खाई थी कसम जो निभाई नहीं। काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं, काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं, वो काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं। हाँ लेके आया भी मैं घर से रजाई नहीं, लेके आया भी मैं घर से रजाई नहीं। नहीं आई 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 तू तो आई नहीं, वो नहीं आई 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 तू तो आई नहीं, हो काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं।
निकल रही थी मैं तो सच के सवर के, टोका मेरी अम्मा ने आंखें बड़ी करके। हो बोले मुझे क्यों रे कहा चली कल मूवी, खेतों में कुमारी छोरी जाती नहीं यूं ही। ऐसे लड़के जो खेतों में बुलाते हैं, हाँ ऐसे लड़के जो खेतों में बुलाते हैं, बेटी बनते कभी भी वो जमाई नहीं।
काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं, वो काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं। हो ढली जाए रे जवानी इंतजार में,
नहीं बेटा प्यार में। हाँ
हो ढली जाए रे जवानी तेरे प्यार में। तेरे चक्कर में दूसरी पटाई नहीं, तेरे चक्कर में दूसरी पटाई नहीं, तेरे चक्कर में दूसरी पटाई नहीं।
अरे 3 बार बोल दिया, अब आगे बढ़ो।
काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं, हो काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं। हो नहीं आई 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 तू तो आई नहीं, हो काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं।
Now this is what I say, a very good combination of a dance and a song. It both are elevated, the song and dance. Not to mention about the lyrics. Lyrics is wonderfully written. Hats off to the guy who wrote the lyrics. We'll probably check this one out. Rajkumar is always credited for his acting abilities, but I would tell you that he should be performing a lot more dance numbers because he brings in a sort of energy that is very rare to see. He tells a story with his acting during the dance sequences. You can see in this, he's so invested in the dance with the storytelling. I have seen the his clips of where he got a very small opportunity to dance. He dances with so much energy, and this is a full song picturized on him as a lead. I highly recommend filmmakers to bring him on more and more song and dance. I think he's done a brilliant job in this one, where you can see so much of his passion, and then he actually has taken the lyrics and understood the lyrics, and then he dances, having a very little experience. Myself, having done some choreography dance during my college days, I can relate to how important it is to feel the song, not just the music, but the lyrics as well. And then not only with your body parts, but also show that in your expressions, that Rajkumar does. And then there's a break between, and when Pankaj Tripathi says, you have already said this 3 times, Aage Badho. People have thought this through to make it a very fun, preppy song. Absolutely love this song and dance. I'm going to watch this again and again. What do you think about this?
Yeah, I think I agree that the song and dance went very well, and again, good to see Rajkumar in a dance sequence. What I liked, again, the lyrics is very, very simple, right, for anybody to understand. It's not like very complex, or you have to really think about, okay, what are they talking about. Nicely executed, and it was good to put that comical aspect in between the song also. Like twice Pankaj Tripathi comes in and corrects him, right? So, but it's all happening so without any cuts, right? There is no stoppage. The music goes on and he comes in and says that. So I think overall it was really nice. And then the last one where she picks him up, that was a good twist.
Yeah. So if you guys like this song and dance, please do like this video and put your comments in the section below. I just loved it. And if you are new here, please do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Our handle is NRmedia247. Thanks a lot for watching.
Thank you.